I'm Alice Heathfield and I'm going to be doing art and design with the BBC.
Enw fi yw Gwenno a fi'n mynd am jobyn camera gyda telescope.
My name's Joseph Marshall and I'm doing BBC post-production at Rothlock.
I am Ben Taylor. I've applied to be a camera apprentice in the BBC.
I've decided to do an apprenticeship because it's a good way of getting into the industry. You get a qualification at the end and you get paid while you do it, and I'm really interested in art and design.
Es I am Apprenticeship achos o'n i'n meddwl oedd e'n ffordd dda mewn i'r diwydiant.
I decided to do post-production apprenticeship specifically because I really want to get into the media industry and work with people at the BBC specifically. So when the opportunity arose, basically I took it and luckily I got it.
Because I was inspired from a young age, growing up around like my father doing a similar role, and I've just been fascinated by cameras and photography and cinematography and really want to pursue it.
Hopefully with a job in the industry.
Yn blwyddyn, dwi'n gobeithio dod mas gyda job camera llawn amser.
In about a year's time I hope to continue work within the media industry in any way, shape or form, but specifically post-production because I do enjoy editing and I want to improve on my skills in the next year.
Hopefully behind a TV camera or film camera, on films or documentary.